Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's truly transformative, something that can completely reshape how you navigate your relationships. We're talking about the incredible power of stillness and self-respect. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you felt like you were constantly chasing someone else's attention, or maybe you were over-explaining yourself, trying to prove your worth, feeling anxious if they didn't text back right away? It's exhausting, right? This constant state of doing, of pushing, of trying to control the outcome often stems from a deep-seated fear of loss or rejection. We think if we just try a little harder, say the right thing, or be available 24/7, we can secure the connection we want. But what if I told you that the most powerful move you can make is to do nothing at all? This is where the magic of stillness comes in. Stillness isn't about being cold or playing games. It's not about ignoring someone to manipulate them. It's about having such profound self-respect that you don't feel the need to chase, beg, or force things. It's a quiet confidence that says, I am whole and valuable on my own. My peace is my priority. I invite you into my life, but I will not abandon myself to keep you here. Think about it. When you're constantly the one initiating, planning, and carrying the emotional weight of a relationship, you create an imbalance. You're sending a subconscious message that you're more invested, that you value them more than you value your own time and energy. This can inadvertently lower your perceived value and, ironically, push the other person away. People are naturally drawn to those who have a strong sense of self, those who have their own lives, passions, and boundaries. So, what does practicing stillness look like in real life? Let's break it down. First, it means learning to be comfortable with silence. When there's a lull in communication, resist the urge to immediately fill it. Don't double text. Don't call again and again. Don't rack your brain for something witty to say just to get a response. That silence is not your enemy. It's a space. And in that space, you get to see what the other person does. Do they step up? Do they reach out? Their actions, or lack thereof, will give you all the information you need, far more than any words you could force out of them. Let's say you've sent a text and haven't heard back. The old you might start to panic. Did I say something wrong? Are they mad at me? Are they ignoring me? The new you, the one who practices stillness, puts the phone down and goes about your day. You go to the gym, you work on your project, you meet up with a friend, you redirect that anxious energy back into your own life. You're not punishing them, you're honoring yourself, you're showing the universe, and yourself, that your life doesn't stop just because someone isn't giving you attention. This brings us to the core of it all. Respect. Self-respect is the foundation upon which stillness is built. It's knowing your worth isn't determined by someone else's approval or availability. It's about setting standards for how you deserve to be treated. A person with high self-respect doesn't tolerate ambiguity, inconsistency, or being made to feel like an option. When your actions are aligned with self-respect, you naturally pull back from situations that feel one-sided. You stop making excuses for people's poor behavior. You no longer accept breadcrumbs of affection when you know you deserve the whole meal. This isn't about being arrogant. It's about being authentic. It's about loving yourself enough to walk away from anything that diminishes your light. Imagine a relationship where you feel calm, secure, and respected. A relationship where the effort is mutual, where you don't have to guess where you stand. That is the kind of relationship that blossoms when you operate from a place of stillness and self-respect. When you embody this energy, you become magnetic. You're not chasing, you're attracting. The right people, the ones who are ready to meet you where you are, will be drawn to your centered, confident energy. They will respect your boundaries because they see that you respect yourself. And what about the people who fall away when you start doing this? Let them. This is the beautiful, filtering power of stillness. When you stop overextending yourself, you reveal the true nature of the connection. If someone was only around because you were doing all the work, their absence is not a loss. It's a clarification. It creates space for someone who will value you for who you are, not for what you do for them. This process isn't always easy, especially if you're used to being a fixer or a chaser in relationships. It requires unlearning a lot of old patterns. It requires you to sit with uncomfortable feelings sometimes, like the initial anxiety of not reaching out. But every time you choose your peace over your panic, you are reinforcing a new, healthier neural pathway. You are teaching yourself, on a deep level, that you are okay on your own. You are your own anchor. So how can you start implementing this today? Start small. The next time you feel that pull of anxiety, that urge to overfunction in a relationship, take a deep breath. Acknowledge the feeling without judgment. Then, consciously choose a different action. Instead of picking up your phone to text them again, pick up a book. Instead of checking their social media, call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Pour that beautiful, powerful energy back into the most important relationship you'll ever have. The one with yourself. Remember, stillness isn't passive. It's an active, powerful choice. It's the choice to value your own peace above all else. It's the ultimate act of self-respect. And when you master it, you don't just change your relationships with others, you completely transform your relationship with yourself. You'll move through the world with a new sense of calm, confidence, and inner strength. You'll find that what you were once so desperately chasing comes to you effortlessly, because you've finally become the person you were always meant to be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this resonated with you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever experienced the power of stillness in your own life? I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on building a life you love. Until next time, take care and respect yourself.